Hi friend, thank you so much for your interest in this SEO course to help you grow your business online. I am so pumped for this course. I have put so much time into this for you, and I am so excited to go on this journey with you. This course outlines all of my SEO knowledge. I'm going to show you everything from the best practices to all of the little SEO tips, tricks, and little SEO hacks that you know me so well for. I have used and tested these strategies for years across basically every industry that you can imagine so that you can hit the ground running. I designed this course to be easy to learn and easy to implement. So it doesn't matter if you haven't even started your website yet or if you're an established business that's just looking to crush your competitors online. This course is for you. When this course launches on May 1st, it's going to be listed at $299. But if you're one of the first 50 people to take action on it, you're going to get it for $99. After those first 50, it's going to go up to $149 for the rest of the pre-launch. So act fast and make sure that you actually take action on what you learn in this course. Because if you implement what I show you, you are not going to believe where your company and business is at.